friends, I'm Mrs. Beckwith, and today I want to do a science experiment with you. It's called dancing corn. Do you think we can get these corn kernels to dance? Let's find out. So I have a cup of water, and I'm going to pour it in my clear vase. Then I have some baking soda. So I'm going to put that in next. And I might give it a little stir. What do you think will happen when we put the corn in? Let's make a prediction. Prediction is a guess. Do we think it's going to dance? Let's see. Doesn't look like it's dancing. So then I'm going to pour in the vinegar. I have a half a cup of vinegar, and I'm going to pour it in. Do you see the bubbles? And then let's look at the corn. Do you see how the corn is going up to the top? Do you see how it's lifting? It kind of looks like it's dancing or jumping. So what's happening is when we pour in those ingredients, there's a reaction, a chemical reaction, and it causes a gas. And that gas is carbon dioxide. And once the carbon dioxide forms a bubble around the corn kernels and it lifts them up, and then when it gets to the top, the bubble pops and then the corn goes back down. And if we were to give it a stir, they would continue to go up and then come back down. That's pretty fun, huh? Thanks for doing science with me today. Have a great day.